Well, it's Thursday, and I'm out in the shop trying to get some stuff together for you guys. Well, it's Thursday morning. I'm out in the shop. I'm installing a steering column in the 55 Chevy truck that we painted green. Yep, back on it pretty good. It's Thursday morning. Hey, coffee's down. I'm out in the shop trying to get some stuff done. Installing the old steering column in the 55 Chevy pickup truck, the green one. It's going really good. Having a great day. It is so busy right now for me. I have got so much going on that I haven't been able to get a whole lot of the videos edited. I hadn't gone anywhere. We're going to get back to those 3 videos a week again soon. But right now, I am cranking. The weather is pretty good. Nothing on the weather is slowing me down, so that means I have no excuses to stop. I just got to get out and crank it. So if you like hot rods, you like playing with power tools, stuff like that, then you're gonna love this channel because we really get out there, we get it done. I show you the cheap way, the best way, the cheap way to do it at home yourself and come out with professional results. So stick around, let's see what all is going on in the shop today. All right, now we gotta get that firewall attachment attached and get it going, but hey, that's all in another video. Yep, so I measured out and drilled these holes in the front fender before I get ready to paint it and finish it. I'm fixing to sandblast it and get all that stuff all pretty, get it all painted, but this is all mocking up. We mocked up the condenser up front, got these lines bent and ran them through to where we can get to the inside. So stick around, we got a really good video about that. How to install AC with the universal kit on a 55 and below Chevy pickup truck. All right, so while I'm in here under the dash with the Chevy pickup truck, I go ahead and run some duct work for the AC, and we got to do this drain. Now this drain comes in a tube that's round and it's real flimsy. All right, so if you do not do what I did, you're gonna get a kink in it and you're gonna get water in your car. Get you a heat gun, heat it up a little bit and bend it and hold it in the position that you want it to be in and let it cool off. It'll stay there. It won't get hard, it's still flimsy, but it'll stay in this position just like it stayed in the coil that it comes packaged in. And it will not kink on you. So let's see if we're gonna run it through this little hole that I drilled over here. And I drilled the hole the exact size of the tube. And I'll put some silicone around it so water won't get back in here. But when you're running these vent tubes, you wanna think about how you're gonna be doing your exhaust. You wanna think about how you're gonna be doing your upholstery. A lot of guys will let that thing loop down right here, all in your feet, and run it straight through the center of the firewall. Well, it gets in the way of your feet. Somebody's gonna kick it off and the condensation is gonna run all in your car. The other thing is, it's coming straight out the center of the firewall. And we spent a lot of time on that firewall. I guess I should have drilled this just a little bit bigger, but no, we want it tight. We spent a lot of time on that firewall to make sure that it wasn't going to get any holes drilled in it. All right, I got that hooked up, and we'll hook it up here and we'll see how good we did. All right, now that's up out of the way. It's tucked close to the firewall. We're gonna be able to build in all of our carpet and everything, and you'll never be able to see this when it's done. I've also put a 90-degree on the outside with a hose going down to where it won't drip on the body panels outside and rust anything. So the condensation on a hot summer day is gonna go straight out that tube, straight down to the ground, and yep, not rust anything. All right, got that done. We are moving right along. Got the lines run up front, got the steering column in, got the vent tube in. Just got through putting the last few pieces of our installation in. If you hadn't seen some of my installation videos, this stuff right here, most guys will spend $300-400 on insulating the inside of a cab. Check out some of the installation videos. This one right here, about 40 bucks. Same stuff, does the same job. Sound deadening, yep. So check those out, save yourself some more money, and look like Apollo 13. All right, so the next part of the steering is gonna be something to hook the steering column to the firewall. All right, you got it hooked up top. Now we need to hook something to the firewall. Now, iDid makes this. There's a couple other companies that make some things, and I like the center section of this. I like how it clamps down. It's a perfect size for the iDid steering column. The only problem is these brackets, that don't look good. It looks just like something universal out of a package. So we need to modify that, use part of it, and remake part of it that you can't see. We've also need to fill in this area right here that had a bracket on the original. So we got to make a plate for the inside, make this plate for the outside, and the collar goes around it. So we're going to do all of that in one video by itself and show you guys what's going on. If you hadn't seen the video where we did the inner fenders, added a little bit of custom louvers to them, let some of that heat out, let some cool air in, and also cut out for the Mustang 2 control arms. So you're not going to get any rattles. And once these things are sandblasted, body worked, and painted, they're going to look really, really nice and be a perfect design for this old Chevy pickup truck. All right, so something else that I've got on my mind is the placement for the dryer. Now these dryers, you can buy them from Vintage Air, or you can go down to your auto parts store and get one. They're all the same thing. You probably get one down the street a little bit cheaper. I'm a Vintage Air dealer, not trying to say anything, but yeah, got this one from the auto parts store. Saved myself shipping and probably about 10 bucks, even over dealer cost. So what we're gonna do, we need to put this somewhere, and it's not that pretty, and I hate things in the way. So we need to figure out where we want to put it. Do we want to put it down here, hide it in here? But the thing is, it needs to be serviceable. It needs to be easy to get to. There's a couple of electrical components because we're going to put a binary switch on it, or a trinary switch because this has an electric fan. Trinary switch turns on the fan, binary switch just turns the compressor off in case it overheats. Pressure gets too high. So we need to figure out where we want to put it. We still got to put a catch can in here. We can hide that catch can. Usually don't want to put these inside. So we may hide it up underneath here somewhere, or we may hide it in plain sight on this side. So if you guys saw the last video, you saw the score I made on the sale of hollow brands. Now the score wasn't a score because of the price. I paid what they were worth. The score was the fact that, hey, the original hollow brands, they've been sitting for 30-something years in a box, and we've put them to use. So with tomorrow being an off day for me, it's my day, we're gonna go ahead and put these on the Roadster pickup truck, and I've got another surprise to go with these that I gotta share with you. But that'll be in tomorrow's video. Hollow brands, I love them. Did y'all see the video where I mounted these by hand or by feet? Which one was it? I don't know. They're on the rims though, right? Well, I didn't go live. It is an edit video, but I only made it 10 minutes ago because right now I'm gonna splice these together and upload it so it's almost live. Happy Thursday to everybody. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys in the next episode. Spanky's out of here. Gotta get some work done. It's lunchtime in a few minutes. Gotta go get a hot dog. Ice cream, chocolate candy.